Now that the Angular CLI is installed, let me show you how to create a new Angular project and serve it. Now I have created a folder Angular CLI and I will be using this folder as my workspace for this particular course. Over here, hold down the Shift key, right click and open command window here. Now to create a new Angular project, we need to run the command ng new followed by the project name. I'm going to call this project sample app. Now press enter. The command takes a few minutes to install all the necessary files and the dependencies. Once that is done, navigate inside the project folder, cd followed by sample app. From here, you can run the command ng serve --open to open the application in your default browser. Now the browser should open and say app works, and this is on localhost port 4200. Now as you see, with just a few commands, you could create an entire Angular application and run it on the browser. All this while ensuring the application follows best practices. Now this is just the surface of what you will learn in this course. There are several CLI commands, each with their own options. All this to make the developer's life easier. So in the next section, let's dive deeper and learn more about generating a new Angular application using Angular CLI.